Hey, it's Matt from Roboflow. I'm excited to be working with you today. Throughout this course, what I'm going to show you is how to use Roboflow and the Luxonis Oak D device together. In order to do that though, I do want to take a brief moment to talk to you about, at a 10,000 foot level, what Roboflow is. As you can see here, Roboflow gives you everything you need to start building computer vision into your applications. Whether you're a software developer, a data scientist, a product manager, or something else, Roboflow is something that you will be able to use. And I'm going to walk through this with you today. There are 5 different stages of using Roboflow. You can see them down below. For example, we're going to start by uploading images together. Once we've uploaded images, then we're going to move into using the platform to annotate those images or label those images together. Then I'm going to show you what organizing your images looks like. When it comes to organizing, we often think about pre-processing and augmenting our images. Next, we're going to get into how to train your model. And then finally, we're going to go into how to deploy that model specifically to the Luxonis Oak D device. So I'm excited to walk through all of these steps with you through the remainder of this course.